Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix change country region on any iPhone. So guys, I will request to my all friends, all viewers, all subscribers, all brothers, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. Let's get started. Fix this problem. So how can I fix this issue? So first of all, you have open the setting, fix this problem. When some steps you given no steps miss, then you have taken on any video, you will at least not miss then any step, not fix this problem on your iPhone. Step by step you have given on iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. Then you have open the setting and you have click on Apple ID, then you have media and purchase, then view account, and then you have show country region, then you have click on country region, and then you few seconds wait, and then option on change country or region, then you have click on, you have scroll up, then I have used already United States, you have click on any country on your iPhone. So I have same country click, and then you have agree, and then you have display this setting, you have click on some steps, and then you have permission, and then your problem will be fixed. And last solution, you have click on next, and then your problem will be fixed. Then you have payment method is input, then you have number, and then expiry CVV, the ATM card, and then billing address is street, city, state, zip, and phone number. And then you have given on your iPhone, then you have next, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.